A customer brought their car in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool and retrieved the code P0335, Crankshaft Position Sensor A circuit. This code usually indicates a problem with the crankshaft position sensor, which plays a crucial role in monitoring engine speed and position, as well as timing ignition and fuel injection. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to monitor live data while cranking the engine. I noticed that the crankshaft position sensor displayed an intermittent signal, confirming that it wasn't functioning properly. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the crankshaft position sensor to check for any obvious damage, loose connections, or corrosion, but everything appeared fine. To confirm the issue, I backprobed the crankshaft position sensor signal circuit and connected a lab scope to observe the sensor's signal. The signal observed on the lab scope was erratic and inconsistent, which further confirmed that the sensor wasn't operating as it should. With the key on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to measure the resistance of the crankshaft position sensor circuit. By disconnecting the control component connector and probing the respective terminals, I found that the measured resistance was within the manufacturer's specifications. This confirmed that there was continuity through the sensor and its circuit, meaning the wiring and connections were intact. Based on these test results, it was clear that the crankshaft position sensor itself was faulty. I replaced it with a new sensor that met the manufacturer's specifications. After completing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. The crankshaft position sensor is essential for proper engine operation because it provides critical information about the crankshaft's position and speed to the engine control module, ECM. A faulty sensor can cause stalling, misfires, and difficulty starting the engine. Replacing the defective sensor resolved the issue and restored the vehicle to optimal working condition.